Welcome to Review Mobile, your go-to channel for the latest smartphone insights. Today, we're diving into the all-new Vivo Y100 2025, a stylish mid-range device that's making waves with its sleek design and upgraded features. Let's break down what this phone brings to the table in 2025. Design and display. The Vivo Y100 2025 stands out with its slim, lightweight build and color-changing fluorite AG glass back, giving it a premium feel in the mid-range segment. It features a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and FHD+ resolution, offering vibrant colors and smooth scrolling, ideal for streaming, gaming, and day-to-day use. Performance and software. Under the hood, the Y100 2025 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset, paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. It handles multitasking with ease and supports 5G connectivity for faster speeds. The phone runs on FunTouch OS 15, based on Android 14, offering a clean UI with some handy customization features. Camera system. On the rear, the Y100 2025 sports a 64-megapixels OIS main camera, backed by a 2-megapixels depth sensor. It delivers sharp, stable shots even in low light. The 16-megapixels front camera handles selfies and video calls well, supported by AI features for enhanced clarity and skin tone accuracy. Battery and charging. The phone packs a 5000 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day with regular use. And with 80W flash charge, Vivo claims you can juice up the battery to 50% in under 20 minutes, perfect for users always on the move. Final thoughts. The Vivo Y100 2025 is a solid choice for users who want flagship-like design and dependable performance without breaking the bank. With its AMOLED display, fast charging, and clean software experience, it continues Vivo's trend of delivering value-packed devices. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Review Mobile for more in-depth smartphone reviews. See you in the next one.